Claude AI offers powerful guidance for tasks like research, coding, and planning, but several key factors deserve consideration beforehand. Here are the factors to consider before using Claude as a guide. 1. Verify facts. Claude can occasionally produce confidently incorrect information, especially on niche topics, so always cross-check critical details with reliable sources. 2. Master prompting. Success relies on structured prompts with context, role, intent, specifics, and perspective. Treat interactions as conversations, iterating through refinements rather than one-shot queries. 3. Manage context limits. Keep inputs concise to avoid performance drops, limit context length, break large problems into smaller parts, and prioritize planning over immediate execution. 4. Plan before acting. Use plan mode or specs for complex tasks like coding or product development to explore options, audit outputs, and ensure alignment before implementation. 5. Apply human oversight. Review all outputs with your expertise before client-facing use, as Claude excels as a starting point but requires judgment for final accuracy and application. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like and share for more information, educative and engaging content.